right, here it is. Finished product. Stubby bumper installed. Went with the Smittybilt 9,500 pound winch with synthetic rope. Also went with the factory 55 knuckle. I think that's what you call it. I don't know if I'm wrong. Please correct me. Let me know down in the comments what that thing's actually called, because I don't remember. It also has chrome shackles. I'll be replacing those later down the road with some red ones to match the theme of the Gladiator on this bumper. One of the biggest reasons I chose it was because I was able to put my factory fog lights into the bumper. However, the only downfall to this was I could only get 2 bolts installed. One thing I didn't like about this bumper, and I'll probably have to have it fixed or fabricated, if you will, is where the fair lead is. There's some exposed metal, and I think that'll tear into the rope, so I'm gonna have to get that fabricated. But yeah, here it is. It's installed, done. And we'll go on to the next project, which I think will be probably our rooftop tent here in the next couple months. And we're going to try and get out and do some wheeling. There you can see I got a place for some aftermarket lights, which I will do down the road. Thanks for watching.